Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the Sezzle virtual card. Very easy and simple. So here you can actually get the virtual card in Sezzle. You just need to go ahead and do this, okay? Open up the Sezzle app and then you come here and just sign up to the account, okay? And then you come here to the Sezzle virtual card section when you have signed up. They will give you a virtual card, which you can go ahead and use to make a purchase. Just enter here how much you want to plan to spend, click on continue, and then you come here and enter your loan details, right? Go ahead and fill all of these in, and then they'll give you a credit limit, which you can go ahead and use at merchant checkouts, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.